Hey everyone, I'm at the heart of musical dreams in Fountain Valley, California, visiting the one and only Guitar Center. This place is a haven for anyone who loves music. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this place isn't just a store, it's a rock sanctuary. It's where dreams are born and legends are made. Imagine this, the sun setting and the neon sign of Guitar Center glows like a beacon for all music lovers. It's almost like a lighthouse guiding ships to shore, but instead, it's guiding musicians to their next great adventure. As we step inside, it's like entering a treasure trove. Every corner of this place is filled with musical wonders waiting to be discovered. Walls lined with gleaming guitars, from the screaming electric axes to mellow acoustics. Each guitar has its own story, its own soul, waiting for the right person to bring it to life. Drums that beg to be played, and keyboards that whisper tales of epic symphonies. The variety here is astounding, catering to every musical taste and style. Now meet the real stars, the staff. These folks are the heart and soul of Guitar Center. These aren't just salespeople, they're wizards of sound, ready to guide you. They know their stuff inside out and are passionate about helping you find exactly what you need. Watch them in action, handing out nuggets of musical wisdom like rock legends tossing picks into a crowd. Their expertise and enthusiasm are infectious. Cut to a shy newbie walking through these doors for the first time, eyes wide, heart pounding. It's a moment of awe and excitement, a rite of passage for any aspiring musician. Follow their journey as they pick their first guitar, strum the first chord, and return for more. Lessons, gear upgrades, you name it. Each step is a milestone in their musical journey. Each visit a step closer to rock stardom. The support and resources here are unparalleled, making every visit an enriching experience. Speaking of lessons, peek into a guitar class. The energy in these classes is electric, with students eager to learn and teachers passionate about sharing their knowledge. There's a kid, fingers flying over frets, rocking out a tune that makes you want to jump up and join. It's inspiring to see the next generation of musicians honing their craft. And it's not just guitars. Think of all the rock gear you can get your hands on, from picks to pedals, straps to stands. They've got everything you need to complete your setup. Amps that make your sound go boom, pedals that warp it into outer space. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to create a sound that's uniquely yours. And don't just take my word for it, listen to the stories of those who've experienced the magic of Guitar Center firsthand. Here's a snippet from a dude who swears by this place. His testimonial is a testament to the impact Guitar Center has on its customers. Man, these guys helped me tune my guitar and my soul. It's more than just a store, it's a community. Before you think it's all just about buying stuff, let me tell you, they've got your back for the long haul. The services here are top-notch, ensuring your gear is always in perfect condition. Repairs, maintenance, you break it, they fix it. Their skilled technicians are always ready to help no matter the issue. Plus, you can rent the gear, try before you buy, or just rock out for a weekend gig. It's a great way to test out new equipment without committing to a purchase. So what are you waiting for? This place is a musical paradise just waiting to be explored. Swing by Guitar Center in Fountain Valley. Whether you're a budding musician or a seasoned rocker, this is where your music plays. The doors are always open and the staff is always ready to help you on your musical journey. Whether you're a budding musician or a seasoned rocker, this is where your music plays. The atmosphere here is electric, and the possibilities are endless. Don't forget, like this video, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise together. Join our community of music lovers and stay tuned for more exciting content. Catch you on the flip side. Keep rocking and keep dreaming.